How long does it take to set up camp? That's a big question we get here at ORU Designs. A lot of truck campers are heavy and hard to set up. No one else builds a camper that can be set up simply by standing on your tailgate. Most make you crawl in, push up on the other side. Not us, not ORU. We wanted something different. With both the ORU Bruin and Triton, setup is simple. Just unlatch the four corners, gently lift the roof, and if it's the Triton, lock it into place. That's it. No tools, no complicated instructions, no parts to put together, no rushing either. In fact, we're not trying to set a speed record here. We're just showing you how easy it really is. In less than 45 seconds, both campers are fully set up and ready for your next adventure. That means less time working and more time enjoying where you came to be. Whether you're headed out for a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, setting up camp should be the easy part of your day. Can you believe it? Just 45 seconds.